Alright, I'll open this, and hopefully it's not as bad as the others. But the others that I opened, the foam had shifted in the box and allowed the motor to wind up in the bottom of the box, rattling around by itself without any foam to hold it in place. And so it was getting beat around pretty good in shipping. Two of them were anyway. Let's see how this one is. Yeah, see how it's down in there? It's not right. Yeah, see the bottom of the box, the scratches and stuff. I really doubt it bent the bell or anything, but my concern's the lead on it. Hopefully it didn't damage that getting bent around. This one's actually not as bad as the other ones. I'll show you those too real quick. See that one really did a bad ride down in there during shipping, and this one too. Scraped some of the cardboard off, and this one did too. Scraped, see where it scraped the white off, and that was actually on the bottom of one of the motors. I believe it was this one. Actually had some of that white caked on. I mean, still feels all right. I'm just hoping the leads are all right, not damaged. First one I opened did have what I thought was a bend or a dent. I can't find it, so hopefully it'll be all right. Just wanted y'all to be aware the foam packaging is lifting up off the motor and allowing the motor to rattle around in the bottom of the box during shipping, which could damage the lead. I mean, obviously. But anyway, motors look great otherwise.